Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Balisa and I'm back with another hair video. Today's video I'm going to be installing a wig that was sent to me by Hotbeauty Hair. This wig is a full wig. It doesn't have a closure, it doesn't have a frontal. It's a bang wig and it's a water wave wig. It was sent to me a while ago and I'm only getting around to it now. Before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you're returning, put on the notification bell because I plan on swamping you with this content. Let's get into it. So by now you would know that all the wigs from Hotbeauty Hair come in a box like this. Yeah, they come in a box like this, and in the box the hair is packaged in the silk bag. And I love these because now my wigs have like a place to stay. I'm going to open it. It came in a net and this is what the wig looks like. I did co-wash it. I prefer co-washing all my wigs before I wear them. So I just co-washed it with conditioner, and these are the curls a bit loose, so I might use like mousse and some of that Aunt Jackie's curl custard. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got an elastic band, and then this is what I mean when I said it's a full wig. So it doesn't have any frontal or any closure. They've just sewn the hair in a circular motion over there so it can make the bang. Now I tried this wig and the bangs are too long, so hence I'm in like my robe. I'm going to be cutting bangs, and I might also have to cut like a bit off the back because it's a bit uneven, but we'll see as we go along. So I'm just going to quickly put the wig on and secure it with all the combs that are on the inside. Okay, so miss. This is what it looks like on. It's actually cute, but like I said, you can see some of the hair is longer than the other hair, so that's what we'd be wanting to take care of. So all I'm going to use is my scissors, and I've got a comb as well. I do have a full video on how I cut bangs, so I'm just quickly going to zip through this so the video doesn't get too long, and then we'll head on into styling. So I'm just going to try get this hair like situated. I want all the short pieces in the front, and then I'm going to comb them through, get them organized, and then start cutting in an upward motion. I'm not sure if I'm going to thin it, but possibly might have to thin it as well. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut small pieces in an upward motion, and this is going to reduce the length of the bang without making it look too choppy. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten, and I feel like the bang is a bit too thick. I can't really, I'm afraid to cut further than this, and then maybe it's just the bang being too thick. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to try and shear away some of the hair. So with the shears, I'm just going to run them through with the wide side, and it will literally pull out strands of hair, making the bang look thinner than it is. I am doing it gently. I don't want to make it too naked or thin, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go in again with my scissors and cut some of the length off, but I think we're almost at my desired length. This may be it for me. I'm going to also try to curl the bang so it kind of goes up a bit, but I don't know, it's going to take some getting used to. I think it's because of the curls. I do feel a bit overwhelmed with this hair. I really don't know how I feel about it, but we move. Okay, so I decided that before I completely go to clean up, I'm going to style it, because when I come back I'm going to have makeup on and I don't want to be spritzing. This is just water in my heat defense spray bottle, and I just want to make the hair damp, not wet but damp. I did take a bit off the length there. I'm thinking I might still want to take more off, but we will see. I'm going to take this on Jackie's Curl Curl Defining Custard, and I'm just going to put a bit on my hands and just work it through. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a bit wet, but I'm quite happy with it actually. The bangs are still a little bit long, but I'll take off like bit by bit of that. The thing is, I don't want it to be too short. Okay, so I'm back and this is what the wig now looks like. It is still a bit damp, but the curls are a bit more defined than it was before. It is flowy and it is bouncy. I think it's quite cute. It's going to take some time for me to get used to this bang. Maybe I can find a way to finesse it even better, but this will have to do. This is so cute, like totally in love with it. So I just want to give you the details of the wig. This is the 12-inch bob wig with a bang, and it is in the water wave style. It is like fully hair, there's no closure in it, so you can't exactly part it. It is 100% virgin hair. It is a natural color, and I am in the size, I think I'm in the medium cap size, but if you need a size guide, they will surely help you. This is no lace. It comes with an adjustable band, and I am very pleased with this hair. I'm quite happy with it. I did have to cut the bangs as you saw, but it is a very cute look. I think this would be something I would wear in winter because I don't like hair in my face in summer. I will leave all the details for you in the description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can also contact them on Instagram. I will leave the Instagram page link also down below. But this is a very fabulous wig. It's gorgeous, man. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time in my next video.